सपन
সবাই ভালো
बस इतना ही आता है मुझे। नमस्कार केमन आছেন सपन
সবাই ভালো
बस इतना ही आता है मुझे। I feel really happy to be here. Mirror organized Max's Shoppers presents Bioxin Business Leadership Awards 2022, and I'd like to congratulate all the winners and even the ones who participated. And who doesn't like to win, है ना? सब लोगों को अवार्ड विन करना अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन पार्टिसिपेट ही करना मेरे लिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अवार्ड से नीचे नहीं है, बिकॉज आई थिंक देर आर ऑलवेज अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ अगेन। और मैं एक बताती हूँ आप लोगों को कि मैंने बहुत कम अवार्ड्स जीते अपनी ज़िंदगी में, लेकिन मैं अभी भी यहीं पे हूँ। तो देयर इज़ ऑलवेज द नेक्स्ट टाइम फॉर ऑल दोज हू डिडंट विन दिस टाइम। लेकिन जो इस बार जीत चुके हैं उन लोगों को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं एंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस, एंड आई होप यू आर हैविंग अ गुड टाइम। आर यू हैविंग अ गुड टाइम?
I think now they're having a great
They're
time.
having a very good time now that you're here.
I'm so glad.
Thank you so much, Shilpa Shetty, for being here.
You know, this is my second time in Dhaka.
Yes.
Yes.
आप लोग मुझे जल्दी जल्दी बुलाते नहीं है 5 साल के बाद आई हूँ मैं
But you,
Well,
you
that's
still
our
look the
fault.
same.
We'll take the blame for
Better.
that. So I think she wanted to ask you something.
What? Let me come behind. I don't want to show,
Yeah, yeah.
All right,
face
we'll-
my
we'll
back.
come
No,
forward.
Yeah.
that is your second time in Bangladesh.
Yes.
So last time you came here, that was 5 years ago.
Yes.
How do you feel right now, being here once again?
I feel super से बहुत बहुत ऊपर. How do you feel?
Let's show her. How do we feel? Let's hear it.
They're actually waiting very patiently for you.
How sweet. Thank you.
Yeah,
It's
so
like
this,
if you have
everything we
anything
do
to
is like, no, we just waiting for that one thing.
How was the journey? How was the flight?
Yeah.
Well, it's been long because I had to catch the 6:30 flight from Delhi, which means I had to wake up at 3:30 in the morning. And yeah, but it's always been the audience's love that's kept me going, and I'm here. मेरे बच्चे घर पे हैं, लेकिन मैं आई हूँ देखो आप लोगों के साथ.
Next time, bring them.
Yeah.
They have to also see Dhaka. It's beautiful.
Right. We'd like to have them over, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So I wanted to ask you something. How do you feel about this Bias in Business Leadership Award 2022? Do you have anything to say?
I think I just did.
Well, yeah, you did.
I
If you-
think,
anything you want to add on?
What would you like me to add on? I'm just happy to be here, and I want to congratulate Shahjahan Raju ji, who I met at the airport very kindly, and it's amazing. It's a celebration also of sorts for them. He was telling me they've completed 20 years. Prem ji, and all the sponsors and all the participants once again.
That's
So
amazing.
we are giving awards to the successful leaders today. Can I ask you something that you are a successful woman, a successful actor, successful mother. So what do you define success, or what do you say about it to everyone as a wish or as a advice or anything?
Well, it's a very interesting question. So, I don't know if you ever heard of Swami Vivekanand. He used to follow Swami Paramanand. And he was very confused, and he said, you know, I don't know, you think I'm successful, and what is really success? So Swamiji said that success is defined by other people, and satisfaction is defined by yourself. So for me, satisfaction is more important than success.
Wow, well said.
That's an amazing
Yes.
answer, actually.
If you could be the most successful person to the world, but if you're not satisfied from within, you can
Doesn't
never be
matter.
successful. But if you're satisfied from within and people still don't think you're successful, it doesn't really matter.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already